So hi guys, so for today's video is we're going to eat because it's so gutom na. So we're going to buy something food like that.
Hindi ka lang pumapalit. Ano yung sakit na kong ikan?
Ipo's food.
Wala kong palitan eh.
This is the
Hindi po si Jimmy kaya wala naman sa mood. Ninglakaw na.
so sama ang palitan. Biscuit oh. Biscuit ka. Pumalik pa yung ito. Resto. Good Lord. Ha? Dito sa classroom. Wala ko kabalong sa paliton.
Presto.
Isa. Oh. Wait. Kani daw ako ate isa. Kani. Sa eskwelahan. Presto naman akong gipalit. Nani, sa eskwelahan. Sa classroom.
Ito, sana kayo to. Mga yun ako tuyo to na.
Ta.
Dili naman to. Kaya guli magkukuan.
Okay na yung balik ta. Sama na. Sini.
No, kailan na.
Wah, sukli ni mo. Ta. Ilalim kan. Ito sa. So, mo to nung ano. Wait lang, wait.
Sinit mo kailiw.
So, this is my food. So, let's diet. Let's have a diet. Char lang. But we're not dieting because nakabuang na kasi. It's so hot in here. So, I go fast to the classroom because it's so hot. Yet, look at the background. It's so hot. It's so shiny, shimmering. So, we're going to the classroom where we alone. I just peacefully roam like us. My God. They have tao there. Si Jinli is... oh my God, nakikita pala ako sa video. So, let's eat, guys. So, mukbang. Muli.
Ano? 25. Dili taliw ka na. Ito na mali ko po.
So cool is good now. So play the air to know the rest is done. I'm sure. So many times I wish you'd be the one for me. And all the way to me, you wasn't here to me. Like who I thinking of. Yeah, you wanna run it out. And I'm on the rise. Number one, my strong position.
Buro lang nagula.
Hindi ka nakanta ba?
Buro lang nagula. Wala ni ko magkuha. Oh, nag-on. Wala nag-video niya. Oh my God.
So I'm going to eat na guys. So I'm just hiding because I'm so shy. So by the way, I am eating my lunch now. And actually, it's 12:27. So I have a late lunch. So I'll be updating you guys later.
Ang gali ba?
So I'm done, guys. So I will edit this. I will edit this. Ay, ito ko na yun. So, mag-drink muna ako ng water. So many times I wish you'd be the one for me. Cool is getting on, so afraid the earth and all the rest is dark, I'm sure. So many times I wish you'd be the one for me. So cool is going on. So cool is going on. So crazy. So guys, we're going to canteen ulit. Tama ba?
Because we're gonna only this.
Yun, lisig kanta-kanta.
Could be the one for me. May under na?
Yeah.
So, a day in our lives.
A day in our lives. Life.
Ano yung butang te?
Lives. Okay. Ito na. Mapalit pa ka, Jenny? Palit pa ka? Diyan. Ano yan siya? Ay, naman si Juan. Saman. Isa.
Ito ang chocolate.
Chocolate na.
Ito ako ano?
Madang. 8 minutes na. Lamig na eh.
Okay guys, for today's video guys, akong sukli, 12. For today's video guys. Ano naman tong microphone? Mana na. Gini, under na.
So we're gonna ulit na, and so we buy some some food. So we're gonna fulfill our cravings today. So it's so boredom today because
Buy a Walmart?
yes, we buy a Walmart. So it's so boredom today in the classroom because it's so it's a small of maliit lang yung tao dito. Yes. Ay, konti lang yung tao dito. Konti lang yung tao dito kasi so, ito muna guys kasi malapit na yung time. So, malapit na yung time dito sa TikTok. So, watch nyo na kayo palagi sa vlogs ni Irene. So, we're gonna buy, we're gonna make our vlogs together.